Making a pineapple upside-down cake at home is easier than you might think. Here's a simple recipe that yields a delicious, caramelized cake with a sweet pineapple topping. Ingredients for the topping: 1/2 cup packed light brown sugar, 1 can 20 ounces pineapple rings or fresh pineapple slices, maraschino cherries optional. For decoration for the cake batter: 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1½ tsp baking powder, 1/4 tsp salt, 1/2 cup 1 stick unsalted butter, softened 3/4 cup granulated sugar to large x 1 tsp vanilla extract, 1/2 cup milk. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven and prepare the pan. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9-inch round cake pan with butter or cooking spray. Set it aside. 2. Prepare the topping. In a medium-sized saucepan, melt 1/4 cup of butter over medium heat. Stir in the brown sugar until it dissolves and the mixture becomes smooth. Pour the butter and brown sugar mixture into the prepared cake pan, spreading it evenly to cover the bottom. Arrange the pineapple rings on top of the brown sugar mixture. If you like, place a maraschino cherry in the center of each pineapple ring or between them for a decorative touch. 3. Make the cake batter. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. In a separate large bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar using an electric mixer until light and fluffy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Then add the vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry flour mixture, alternating with the milk, beginning and ending with the flour mixture. Mix until just combined. 4. Assemble the cake. Pour the cake batter evenly over the arranged pineapple rings in the cake pan, spreading it out gently with a spatula. 5. Bake. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. 6. Cool and invert. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for 5 to 10 minutes. Run a knife around the edges of the pan to loosen the cake. Place a serving plate over the cake pan and carefully flip the pan over to invert the cake onto the plate. Gently lift off the pan. If any pineapple pieces stick, you can carefully rearrange them. 7. Serve. Let the cake cool a bit before serving and enjoy. This easy pineapple upside-down cake is perfect for a casual dessert or a special occasion. The buttery caramelized pineapple on top is what makes it so irresistible. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did making it. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think or any tweaks you made. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a new recipe. See you in the next one.